Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with some Dollar Tree DIYs into the wood pieces. These are a few that I have done. I have 3 more that eventually will get done, but I have to do a project with them first before I can do something with them. So I think I showed this guy, but I'm going to show him one more time. It's a little skeleton. His little arms and legs are held by little wire pieces. And I got 2 of them. And all I did is I painted them gray, and then I painted white over them to give them this little grungy look, and then I put these little movable little eyeballs. So then again, I'm going to go hang up in my tree, actually, after I spray them. The next thing I got, now some of these pieces will eventually be turned into something this year or maybe next year. I just want to get them painted. So, and also, all these that I'm going to be showing on forward are done with my Bingo Dauber ink. So, this is the Bingo Dauber ink green, and I did the pumpkin, and I like it look grungy. And then the bat. Now, if you see on the bat, and I can show you in some different project easier, there's a little gray, and that's that one. And then I outlined it with a black paint pen. It's the only thing on here that was done with a paint other than the Bingo Dauber. Now, we all seen the boxes. Alright, this is where I said I could show you later. I did this outside in black, the ghost, but you see this little look going on at the gray? I did it through this piece of screen, just a little bit of there, and I dabbed, so I got that look. And then inside my boxes, I put a piece of the screen also, so when you back in now, turn on a little tea light here, put the tea light in. Yeah, see, this one gave me trouble. I couldn't close it all the way. Yeah, the black one. Oh, hang on. I tell you, this black one likes to give me grief. There we go. Just a little up. Oh, and then the light went out on me. I tell you, I don't edit, so you guys have seen it firsthand. Firsthand. How it looks through. Okay. It'd be easier, but kind of disguise the tea light candle. But as you can see, this one's black and gray, and I added a little black on the ghost. These are all done with the Bingo Dauber, except for the white. And then, of course, the screen and the purple, and I think that turned out really cool looking. Even if you don't, I have to fix this. Look at it, it just cracked on me. Oh well. And then the little box, the jack-o'-lantern, I did orange and then black, and then I went over it again because I didn't do the sides. But then, even if you just set them like this as a decor with nothing in them, I think they look cute. That is that. I mean, this is the way I have them sit up on my side right now. I have them kind of like this, and then I have one on top, and it looks cute, just like that. Oops. See? Just like that. It's just an idea. And a little big shelf or somewhere. I think that looks cool. Okay, turn my light off here. Alright. The next thing. Oh, yeah. It's like where to go. Is the coffin that says Trick or Treat. Bingo Dauber black. The paper behind the Trick or Treat is my mixed media paper. And then I just have an outline going across. You can see the different tones. I think it looks really cool. I want it dark and grungy, because if I put them all somewhere together, they kind of look good together. The next one is one of my favorites. Is this one with the jack-o'-lanterns, and I did the pumpkins I did the whole thing black. And then I went over with the Bingo Dauber orange and then the green, and I got this cool look on them. I just love how that looks. It looks rustic and grungy. And of course my paper I made. And then the last one is one of my favorites as well. And I have a project I'm going to show you that I did last year that I newly discovered, and I'm like, what can I do with this? We'll see what comes up. Is this one. I just love how this turned out. It is all done with the Bingo Dauber again, and I just added some of the through the net here on the cauldron, and then black over the green, and then I just did my finger with a little black over this. It was purple, real purple, like this purple was on the edge, and I wanted to tone it down a little bit, so I just did quick wash. And there's some spots that I went over, you can see with the paint marker, and then of course my background. And it's two different backgrounds because I did one background, and then this is a whole different background as well in the trick or treat. It's not the same. And I just glued it on the back. See, that's the pink or the purple I had. And I just thought I wanted it darker. So that one. Now, this is a project when I was digging around in my Halloween stuff that I came across. And I haven't figured out what I'm going to do with it yet. But I may do some of my paper. Oh, look at, before I did this is why it was all black. I did some like this. This is on a piece of paper. I thought that turned out really cool looking. That's just sprayed. What I did is I did the background, Bingo Dauber, and then I sprayed with some spray through the thing. I put this on here and I just sprayed. That's how it got black. Is that cool? I just love how that looks. But what I was thinking, this one may be a little too dark, is taking this and going like that. Well, that does look kind of cool though. Or making some more of my mixed media paper and just building the scenery on this one haunted house I had from last year that I didn't finish. So them are my Dollar Tree projects. This is also a Dollar Tree haunted house they had last year. And all I did is, this is tissue paper on here to get that look. And then I just painted in different paint layers. So them are my Dollar Tree wood pieces. Like I said, I wanted the dark, grungy look. So if I put them all in an area, they all kind of look good together. I might go up in my bathroom. My little skeleton dudes, I have to spray them, and then they're going to hang from my tree outside. As we're, excuse me, years ago when Riley was a toddler, Scott hung these chains with a baby swing hooked on, and the chains are still hanging there underneath my tree. So I always hang something on there, and I thought these guys would look cute hanging there. I'm just going to spray them with some protection. And hairspray works really good for that if you don't have a lacquer. So that, just a little FYI there. So that is my Dollar Tree wooden pieces. I just wanted to come on and share them with you. I hope you're all having a wonderful Tuesday. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now, everybody. Have a good night.